In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute a video in Adobe Express. This tutorial will guide you step by step through the process, ensuring that even if you're new to Adobe Express, you'll be able to follow along with ease and successfully mute your video. Let's begin by heading over to Adobe Express. Once you're there, the first thing you need to do is upload your video. To do this, locate the Upload button within the platform. It's usually prominently displayed, making it simple to find and use. Click on it, navigate through your files, and select the video you want to mute. Once you've chosen your file, give it a moment to upload completely. Depending on the size of your video and your internet connection speed, this might take a little while, so patience is key here. With your video uploaded, the next step is selecting it so we can begin the editing process. Simply click on the video you've uploaded. You'll notice that it's highlighted or marked in some way to indicate it's selected and ready for you to edit. Now the primary focus of this tutorial, muting the audio. With your video selected, cast your gaze to the left panel of the Adobe Express editor. This is where your editing tools are conveniently located. Scroll through these tools until you find the mute option. This feature is specifically designed for removing audio from your video entirely. Go ahead and click on the mute option. As soon as you do that, the audio from your video will be removed, leaving you with a silent recording. This is particularly useful if you want to eliminate background noise or perhaps add your own music or narration later on. Alright, once you have successfully muted your video, you have a couple of options to consider. If you're satisfied with the video and the muting has accomplished your goals, you can proceed to download the edited file. Look for the download option, usually a button labeled Download or something similar, and click on it. This will save your newly muted video as an MP4 file on your device, making it easy to share or store as needed. However, if you wish to continue refining and editing your video, Adobe Express offers a variety of tools for further personalization. You can add text, additional graphics, transitions, or even new audio tracks, enhancing your video to better fit your vision or project requirements. Explore these features if you want to continue working on your project, and remember, experimentation is a good way to learn the nuances of the software. That's all there is to it. Muting a video in Adobe Express is a straightforward process, one you can accomplish quickly and efficiently with these simple instructions. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now confident in muting any video using Adobe Express.